The account department is the engine room to every hotel, in fact, or organization, because for an organization to run smoothly, that means the organization is doing well financially. So, for a hotel to stand the test of time, it means there is a financial structure built to stand the test of time. Welcome to today's episode on Hospitality Review. In today's episode, we are looking at the account department in a hotel. The account department is responsible for managing financial activities and making sure of the hotel health. If the hotel is sick, that means the overhead expenses is bigger or more than the revenue generated. Like I said before, the account department is responsible for managing the financial activities and making sure of the hotel health through financial statements. The major responsibility of the account team is to make sure that financial records are up to date for management to take decisions, like your income and expenses account, your loss and profit account, your cash book, cash flow statements, your balance sheets are up to date for management to take a decision. And most time it is the account team that advise the organization on steps to take concerning financial decision. And let's look at the hierarchy in the account department in a hotel. Now we have the general manager, the financial controller, reports to the general manager. Most organizations call them the chief accountants. Now when you come down, you see the account receivable, you see the accounts payable, you see your auditor and your cost control and auditor, you see your general cashier, you see your tax compliances, and you see your internal auditor. Now the internal auditor, the tax compliances, the general cashier, the auditor, cost control, account receivable, account payable, all of them report to the financial controller, which is also known as the chief accountants. Now let's look at some responsibilities, some duties of the account department. Like I said before, that one of the responsibilities of the account department in a hotel is keeping record. That is bookkeeping, keeping financial transactions, payroll, billing and invoicing, preparing and sending bills to guests, account receivable and account payable. Account receivable will track money owed to the organization. Accounts payable documents all money the organization is owing to contractors, vendors, suppliers, etc. When it comes to cost control and auditing, the account department has a vital role to play. A quick story on incident concerning auditing. So as a general cashier, there was a day I was collecting remittance from one of the revenue generated units, but the account wasn't balancing. I calculated my cash at hand, my POS, my bank transfer, but the account still wasn't balanced. So I had to call the attention of the internal auditor to check through their books and their physical stock if there was any deposit. But after much investigation, it happens that there has been a manipulation that has been going on in that unit. So the auditor made a confession that when he goes to the unit, he will just ask if their book is correct. As an auditor, you are going there to check their physical stock and check what's on the system and check what is on the book to know if what you have on the book is same record you have as your physical stock or on your system on your computer, whichever one you choose to use. Don't be an auditor that will just walk around and ask. So now if I'm doing something bad and you ask me if what I'm doing is correct, why would I tell you that what I'm doing is correct? You are not just there to ask them questions if their books are correct. You're there to check through their books, check through their physical stock, check all the checkable to make sure that things are correct. Now when we talk about good cost controlling, it means that you're staying within budgets, spending wisely, avoiding waste, and improving profit. Until our next episode on Hospitality Review, I remain your girl, Wati. Shasha. Bye.